Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove your profile picture on TikTok. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you need to make sure that you saved a black picture onto your device. And then once you've done that, just go ahead and go to your TikTok app and click on your profile by clicking on the profile button on the lower right corner of your screen. Then after that, just go ahead and click on your profile picture. And you can see this pencil icon on the lower part of your profile picture. Just go ahead and click that. And then here, you want to choose the black picture that you saved earlier. And now, you can either post this to your story or no. Okay, so that really depends on you. And then click a save. And then that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.